There are a number of times when teachers or students need to see multiple screens in the same window. So I'm going to show you how to do that with two extensions. One's called Tab Resize, and it looks like this up here at the top, and one's called Split Screen. So first I'm going to do Tab Resize. I just simply click this, and the first time you do it, it's going to ask you to give it some rights, but I can choose to have 4, like in this arrangement, 2, one on top of the other, 2 side by side, and you can set all the different settings that you want to happen when you do this, but I'm going to pick 1 by 2. And I've noticed that empty tab is selected here. I can uncheck that if I don't want to have that. So I'm going to do this. It automatically brought this tab over here, but I can bring my notes over here so that I can see my textbook here, and I can be reading my textbook over here while I'm taking notes over here. And I'm sure you can think of other things you might want to have, whether it be a rubric over here or instructions over here or a video over here while you either take notes or work on a presentation or do research in the other. And when I'm done, I can just simply drag this back over and maximize, and they'll all be one again. The other one actually does a similar thing, but it doesn't make 2 browsers open. It's split screen. It just simply gives you a new tab that has 2 URL areas. So I can go to get the URL or the web address of my notes and copy it, and I can paste it right here. So I'm going to paste it, and my notes will appear here, and then I'm going to paste the textbook into this, or it could be Google. So you'll have to use Tab Resize for textbook, but let's say that I put Google in there. So I could be researching over here while I'm typing notes over here. Some things will not let you use split screen, and that's why you might want to use Tab Resize for certain things. So I could be researching over here and typing. So those are 2 extensions, Split Screen and Tab Resize. And if you want to get them, you can simply Google the Chrome Web Store. Or if you can find your apps, you can go to apps, and usually you'll see Web Store right there. And anyway, once in the store, you can search for Tab Resize. And notice this says apps, this says extensions, so it's down here under extensions. If you don't see it, make sure you have extensions chosen over here, if that's the problem. And you just simply add it to Chrome. And the same thing with Split Screen. You just search for it here, and then add it. So that's it. Hopefully this is helpful, Tab Resize and Split Screen.